Kia ora whānau. It's a right day in Whanganui, and today going on a big bike ride with Josh. Everyone say hi, Josh. The setup. Bike in Hunterville. It's going to be a beautiful journey. It's nice and early, it's about 8 o'clock. You ripper. Got a big hill bomb. But yeah, got you on the lid. Into it, speed tuckage. Really scared. Holy moly. I'm getting gapped. Oh. Yeah, boys. Yeah, probably about 15k. Some country roads. A rip over view on the left. Coming up on the beautiful Fordell. Look, there she is. Hello. Wow. Hey Josh. Parked up. Look at the rips. Oh yeah. Oh gee whiz. It's a majestical view. Some clouds over there. Well. Woo. It's just a beautiful day for it. Oh wow, there's a car. Energy. Good stuff. Look at the view, boys. That's what it's all about. Getting out there and doing it. Better than doing nothing, isn't it? Some beautiful natural stuff like the river. Yeah, the river. The Oa. Ooh, beautiful. I lost my the thingy that mounts the camera onto my head. So now I can't put it on my head. And a bit of a bugger, but we went down some carnage hills. Yep. No more helmet shots. Oh mate, he's hissing. Wait, should bike across it? The water bridge? Oh, Cooney. Oh, river. No, with a bridge. No, Upukanaro. Upukanaro. Oi. What a bridge. How's not feeling? Energy. Energy. Real. The track on the bridge. Lovely. Wait, it's the same bloody truck. Yeah, we saw that one earlier. Really? Bloody hell. Into it. Just me made a bridge. Josh. Some birds. In the middle of a challenging climb. Some nice mountains. K's, how many K's? 40k. And 2 hours. Mm. Wow. We've almost done a marathon. Ooh. This time an actual marathon. You think you're funny? Mm. Oi boy! No! Play into it! Go! We're on a run, goat chase! Hey Gary! Oh! Go boy! Go boy! Wow. nature. Oh shit! Bloody hell, it's all on. Oh. Boys, so many goats. Oh. What if the boys around us? Matt. Matt. Gotta get him, boy. Wow. Still into it. It's just beautiful, isn't it? Oi. Just to go river. Nice. Oi. Wait, look. Oh boy. Nice guy. Bridge. Beautiful bridge. We had the Sutherland Mangahu Reserve. Got some nice awa. A nice little bridge. Some cool hillsides. Look, pretty rowdy in here, you know. 47.44 in 2 hours and 9 minutes. Wow. You know, it's a good challenge. You got some carnage downhills, some nice little uphills. That's what it's all about. Just getting out there and doing it. Be on or no joke. Getting a little bit difficult in some bloody random hills. How many K have we done? 57.7 and 2 hours 43. So we've wait, bro, what? Skibby toilet. Look, I only got 656 and that amount of K's. Then Freddie's got all them and them. My Strava's ripping me off, the cheeky bugger. Yo. No good. Nah. Majestical. So many bloody hills. It's hard work. Yo. Just a random bucket. Cool work. Beautiful Mother Nature. It's aren't they? Yo, yay! And those hills were very hard. Not fun. We've done 66.46 K in 3 hours 15. And the good part is we need to go all the way back again. Have fun. Goods. Got myself some sunnies. Beauty. About to leave Hunterville and Noah's found a sheep. Yeah, man. Is that good, boy? Yeah, mate. Feeling dangerous up in these shades, actually. Feeling rebellious. Can we get a spin? Oh, look at those. Alright. Got some more food. It's so cold. Ready to leave Hunterville. Back. Bike like 70 k's just to go to Hunterville. Yeah, beautiful. Got some sheep. A black one. Yeah, cool. Can't get there, I know to Hunterville. It's a good little stop. Bought a pie, a drink, bought some main sunnies, and yeah, now we got the bike all the way bloody back. Through all them silly hills. Silly, good hills, lots of elevation. Yeah, not on my Strava. We're back at the hill where we found the banana. Just had a stinking hill climb. Hard work. Noah's struggling. No, I'm flipping nothing, boy. I'm dropping. Alright, always. Yeah. Some good hills. Yeah, some good corners. A little bit rowdy on the downslopes. How are the glasses? He's sick. Oh, just fell out. Oh, it better not be broken. It almost killed me, the cheeky bugger. Oh, no good. Oh, no. Oh. Still good. Coming back is a lot more enjoyable. This hill's more just bloody just downhill, you know.
Dropping pineapple lumps.
Shut up. We're in the middle of absolutely nowhere. Sparking up a little bit of a hill. Going pretty steady and bang! My legs just started a little bit of a crampage. Old Joshua has just left me. Give me a little bit of drink down me. A little bit of a buzz up. Yeah, goodbye. And then yeah, I gotta go catch up with Foodie now. Cheeky boy.
Oh, some lemonade.
Really? Oi.
Yeah, good.
Actuals.
Yeah.
There's some yummy lollies. Yeah, I get the dog in your back up. Yo! We're gonna catch a goat. Oh no, they're going away, boy. Holy heckers. A few of them. There's some bush moldy stuff. Oh yeah. Alright. Failed. I got near through on the other side again. Look at the cheeky buggers. We would have bashed him, boy. We would have got him. Hey Josh. What? We would have gone and bashed him. Huh? We would have bashed him. Yeah. That cheeky. He's sad, Foodie?
Yeah, a little bit. Didn't get a go.
Just taking in the serenity. The rig.
Right. 88 k's. Almost 2,000 meters of elevation.
Whoa!
5 hours 25.
And 50 seconds.
Yeah, not bad.
Yeah. Bit of sun.
Can we see the map? Oh.
Can't really see it. Oh, yep.
Yeah. Gone quite far.
No, not really, eh, bro?
No.
Soz. Oi. So many silly little hills. Like it's a big dog, this one. Can you see much? Hold up. Put you through my sunnies. No, they ain't working. Look at Josh up there. Just leaving me. My legs. My legs are pretty buggered, you know, but it's alright. We're gonna make it up this big boy hill. And she's a bit flat, maybe a little bit downhill. And then there's a big dog climb, which is gonna be a big bugger. But we faced the problem when we ahoyed a problem. Yo. Look at this. The boys. Right. Right. Hold up. Go. Lazy buggers. Should do it on normal bikes, the silly boys, eh? They just don't got the dog in them. Hey Foodie.
Yeah, well said.
They just don't have the dog in them.
It's poor.
It's gotta get the dog. The dog inside you. I don't got the dog inside me anymore.
Proper bikes.
My legs are buggered.
Getting some cramps, boy.
Sure, right, we'll continue on.
We're going strong.
You're going strong.
I'm going strong.
I'm not going bloody strong.
Nah.
Oh yeah, it's about
all good. Keep conquering on.
Yeah, that's the one.
Go on, boy. Can you see it? Almost at 100.
How many more?
10 meters.
Oi.
100 k's!
Wow.
Look at that.
Wow, isn't that just a beautiful moment? Second time ever riding a road bike and second ever 100k.
That's impressive.
Yeah, tough shit. But the rowdy. But the journey isn't over. The hell of doom.
Oh, I can see the bridge in the distance.
The hell of doom is coming up.
The hill. Yeah.
That's gonna be.
Where are we?
Woo! Beautiful bridge.
The bridge. It's a sight to see. It's truly remarkable. Wangahoo River.
like the riff off Owakuni Bridge.
You fucking are.
Yeah, yeah. Got a little bit more width on the dog though, innit?
Yeah.
But nice little curve up.
Yeah.
A little bit of downage.
Good bit of architecture.
Bit of a river as well, actually.
Oh. River.
It's
a
not
bridge over a river.
It's not the one.
Fancy that.
It's not the Wanganui River though, is it? No, the Wanga.
No,
Whanganui.
this is the Wangahoo River.
Hold up. Oh, go for a jog.
For jog?
Give me that shit. Oh, hey, holy moly. Woohoo! See it? 28 more K. 28 more K of mana, Minakatanga. Next time we out there vlogging, probably about the Helidome, unless something carnage pops up. We're getting serious now, team. We've made it to the Helidome. It's a big hill, isn't it? The camera don't really give it justice, but it goes whoosh, and woo, woo, woo. So you go and hold that, won't you? Getting prepared. Getting into the third and final job. I feel the mana rushing through the system right now. Yeah, that's right. Oh. Both our phones are about to die. Not looking good.
Camera's on still.
But
Half battery.
after we make it over the Helidome, pretty cruisy bikeage from there, innit? There's this Helidome, it just goes on and on and on. Foodies, you just get a bit of zoom in. Can you see the bloke up there? He's just conquering on. But gee, it's a big hill. My legs, legs are pretty buggered down that part. I don't know what it's called. I'm getting gapped. It's a little ripper. Got some bush, good bush life. Birds singing along, and I can't even see Freddy anymore. So. That'll do. Bruh, so it just goes on and on. Look at the altitudeage of the dog. Josh is just nowhere to be seen. Oh gee whiz. Phone's about to die. You can see the monga in the distance a little bit of clouds over it, but it's alright. It's just giving me flashbacks to the marathon, you know. But once we conquer the Helidome, it'll be like not far to go then. I wouldn't mind being in one of them thingies right now, instead of on these silly old road bikes. But I'm on a silly old road bike, so we gotta finish the job on the road bike. We have conquered the Helidome. Get the majestical view. Lose them in. Alright.
I got them wet.
The altitude. The ozone layer is just up there. The aliens. The moon. The boys.
I'm gonna have music on.
Helidome. We've made it back to the beautiful settlement of Fordell. We're 113 km, 5 hours 30. Don't know how accurate that is, because my phone, she's struggling. Poor Joshua's phone is about to die, and he doesn't want to lose the Strava, because Strava is life and life is Strava. It's just awesome. I need to take my sunnies off. It's getting a little bit dark. Gee whiz. But we're almost there. Very, very close. Team, we made it back to the beautiful settlement of Whanganui. Wow. Tower in the distance. Woodtower. Kia ora school. Ah, you beauty. Walking across the beautiful Whanganui River. Straight up, just got no clue where Josh is, he just left. He just biked fast, but I'll find the lad. Oh, big day. You beauty. We haven't found Joshua, but we found the boys! The boys! It's a lazy bugger that only run 3.5k in the marathon. Hey Finlay.
Have you completed a marathon on?
What are we feeling? Maybe you wanna them and one of them. Oh no, one of them. Yes. I made it home. Oh look, it's Josh. 5% battery left. 133k. 6 hours 22 and burp. Finish. I'll do that later. Like and subscribe team. Yo.